NEMA 17 CNC and 3D printer stepper motor was rated at 1.7 amps. Adafruit motor shield here requires heat sinks on each chip here and here. They get extremely hot and can burn your skin once it has full power, which I'll be putting here now. Here's the motor. All this information. Designed for CNC and routing and 3D printer. There we go. Right, now it's going through single coil steps with one coil energized. It's going forward. Next it'll go backward with double coils. Which will increase the torque. There we go. That's me pushing down with quite some weight. Still stop it, but nope, that's actually quite strong. Quite loud. That's interleaved coils, which is switching between single and double. And that's micro stepping, tiniest movements. That's the one used for 3D printing and CNC machines. This chip here gets extremely hot while doing it and can burn out running such a huge motor. However, I'm risking it. Now it's going back to the beginning. Can only keep this up for so long before this shield blows. So I'm going to take the power out. Yeah, the shield is quite hot. Expected that. And there's the library, using the AF motor shield library. And that's the stepper motor for 3D printing and CNC machines, which I will be making in the future.